Welcome to the magical world of adventure with Zoetoons TV.
Hello friends. Today I'm excited to tell you a story about the kindness chain. In a small village, there lived a young boy named Zed. Zed loved playing with his friends and exploring the outdoors. One day, while walking through his neighborhood, Zed noticed that his elderly neighbor, Mrs. Thompson, was struggling to carry her groceries. Zed quickly ran to help her, and together they carried the bags into her house. Mrs. Thompson smiled and thanked Zed for his kindness. Zed felt happy knowing he had made someone's day a little brighter. The next day, Zed decided to surprise Mrs. Thompson by mowing her lawn. She was delighted and asked Zed why he was being so kind. Zed explained that he wanted to make her day happier. Mrs. Thompson smiled and said, "You know, Zed, kindness is like a chain. When you do something kind for someone, they might do something kind for someone else, and so on." Zed thought about this and decided to spread kindness throughout the neighborhood. He helped Mr. Johnson walk his dog, baked cookies for the Smiths, and even assisted Mrs. Rodriguez with her gardening. As Zed continued to show kindness to his neighbors, he noticed that they were doing kind things for each other too. The neighborhood was filled with smiles, laughter, and a sense of community. One evening, as Zed was getting ready for bed, he looked out his window and saw the chain of kindness still going strong. Neighbors were helping neighbors, and the whole community was benefiting. Zed realized that loving his neighbor didn't just mean being friendly, it meant showing kindness and care. He felt proud to be a part of the kindness chain and knew that he would continue to spread love and kindness throughout his neighborhood. We hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories and adventures.